We're in someone's backyard in Arizona where they built themselves their own wave pool. Look at this thing. Sun is just about to come up. This is a DIY wave pool project that was built with not as many people as you'd think. We got invited to come out and test the first wave here. Pretty excited. This is a really, really unique project. It's a technology that's different than all the other ones out there right now, and they're just in their testing phase. So we're gonna give them some feedback today and hopefully get a couple beautiful waves. We got to see a couple teasers of what they're already pumping out, and it actually looks really, really fun already. That's gonna be a right that starts on this side of the pool over here, and it's gonna peel across the whole length of that wall. And this is just kind of the catch basin. It's kind of where the wave dissipates, but that whole length of the wall is gonna be a little peeler. Are you nervous?
I'm a little nervous. Point A, haven't ridden a shortboard in about 4 years. Point B, we got a new wave on it.
Yeah, that thing looks a little tricky. The good thing is we got all day.
We got all day.
All day to blow it. Here we go. We got Shay paddling out. First wave.
He's gonna plumb.
Whoa. We got a winch inside of the scoop of this thing. Handle, winch handle, winch is right in there. And got the wave pool. This is calm. Oh, and we got Shay and the wave in the background. Whoa. Sick. See, this little thing's working here. Oh yeah, the throttle's working. Boy. Yeah, buddy. I'm ready when you are. Oh, we're doing follow cams with Shay. Shay's chilling. We're doing some follow cams into the hatchet section. Hatchet coming right up. Hatchet launchers.
We got our hatchet launcher right here.
Rocket launchers straight to the moon. That was so sick. This is the Wave DJ booth, lifeguard tower style. We're doing some super tweaking in here. We're adjusting. Oh, hold on.
we're definitely tweaking out up here and making some weird ass waves. So, but we think we're onto something with this next one. Pretty sure we just made an air section that we're gonna have a landing ramp on. We've made the air section great, but we haven't figured out the landing part yet. So that's what we're working on. DJ Justin. Dude, this panel is so cool. That is something.
I made that in my garage.
Did you?
Yeah.
No way. Dude, I figured that was like an electrician that did that. That was you, huh?
You're looking at him.
Wow.
Yeah.
Impressive.
But not impressive if you're an electrician.
An electrician would look at that and have a heart attack. How do you turn the fan on?
You just plug it in.
Oh, there's just a plug-in. Dang, that's nice. Okay.
We're up in the little lifeguard tower, and we get to press the button for the waves to go right now, which is pretty dang cool.
All right, fire in the hole.
I've also been getting to adjust and like see how these waves are made, and it's really fascinating. Learning a little behind the scenes of how to make an air wave and tinker with it, and ideally make something really cool.
Just gonna winch along the whole length of the wave and hopefully do a couple turns and maybe hit that little boost section at the end. It's gonna get weird. Matches my Skim like perfect. We definitely didn't plan that one, but it's kind of cool. Moto winching.
Well, that was kind of a sick one right there.
Shay with the winch and a beater, and we are working on making a little skim wave. The hope is to be able to run off the liner into a little reeler along the shore, but yeah, we're basically making a full shore break peeler, which has been pretty fun. It's taken quite a few tries to get the wave that we're looking for, but we're getting close to a little tube on the shoreline.
We out here. There was, baby.
We finally got into the dang skim wave, but gosh darn, it took way too many tries. We had to mess around a bunch with the run up. We were using a yoga mat at first, and then we used a tarp, and that worked a lot better. So it took us about 5 or 6 tries to get into that dang little skim wave. But pretty cool how we could just make a skim wave on the spot in a matter of a couple minutes, and then test it out right then and there. Be stoked on that. Super cool.
Yeah, this place is freaking rad. Just awesome to come to someone's land, be welcomed by their family here, and be hosted by them, eat lunch at their house, and then go shred the wave pool in their backyard right after. Something pretty dang special about that. So thank you to Ashley, thank you to his wife, Brenda, and their whole family for hosting us here. This has been such a cool experience. And to our wave DJ buddy out here, Justin, he's been helping us tweak the wave and like make exactly what we want with a few clicks of a button. So that's been killer. We can't forget boss man Tony. I think he was making model waves for a long time in his workshop, and then finally got something that he was excited about and decided to bring it to scale. So that's what brings us here. Thank you, Tony. This has been an epic few days testing your new tech. Just the beginning for the wave source.
That's the name of this wave tech.
Check this out. We got a little train cruising through in the background there.